Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little DIY for you guys, and I'm basically going to be doing a kind of like a Fenty Beauty body lava dupe, and it's basically how to make your own body shimmer oil. I really like body shimmer oils. I love to use it around summertime, so I thought it would be nice for me to show you guys how to make one, especially because Fenty Beauty bought one out, and obviously if you can't afford it, it would be nice to make your own so you can feel like you're shimmering as well, because the Fenty Beauty one looks really nice, but I feel like I want to show you a cheap alternative if you can't afford it. So if you are interested in seeing how I made this little beauty, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That would be amazing. So the products I'm going to be using are an empty bottle to put the product in, some sunflower oil and some olive oil. Obviously you can use any oils that you desire, but I would recommend something that continues to stay runny, if that makes sense, nothing that's going to solidify like coconut oil. I'm also taking a loose shimmer highlighter. You can use any highlighter you want. If you haven't got a loose shimmer highlighter, you can use one from a palette and you can break it up, which I'm going to show you, but obviously it'll be easier if you have a loose one. So here I'm just mixing all the products together. It really doesn't, there's not really a mathematical equation to this. It's kind of by eye, but obviously the more oils you use, the more highlighter you're going to need. So obviously I didn't show all of it, but I went in and I used way more highlighter than this because I used so much oil, but it was worth it in the end. I really hope the tutorial was informative enough, like you understand what you needed to do and all that type of stuff. With the body oil, you don't really need to know numbers. Anything I would say is the more oil you use, the more shimmer you're gonna need, because it needs a lot of shimmer basically. Like even now, I feel like I could have put a little bit more shimmer, but I like this. I don't want it to be too. I feel like I'm glowing. I love it. It looks so nice. But yeah. I did feel like you can start off a little bit, but just be aware if you do use a lot of oil, you need to use a lot of shimmer. So maybe do purchase maybe a cheap shimmer that you a cheap highlighter that you're gonna break into it, because obviously you might not want to use a highlighter that you already own. I would say it's easier for you to use a loose powder than having to break up an eyeshadow palette, but obviously whatever you find is whatever you can use, it doesn't really matter. Obviously you can use any type of oil you like, but I use sunflower oil and olive oil because I found that they weren't too thick, and I feel like if you're going to use a really heavy oil, sometimes it can be quite uncomfortable on a very hot day, especially like you don't want to be wearing a really thick oil, it's not going to feel very nice. So I would recommend using a kind of like a more looser oil. Obviously stuff like coconut oil and shea butter, they solidify, so I wouldn't recommend you using those because they're not going to stay liquid like this. It's going to get hard, so I wouldn't use those in my opinion. But my reasons for, like, for example, sunflower oil is really good for the skin. It says that it fights wrinkles, it retains moisture, it contains vitamin E, A, C and D, something like that. I think that's the ones that it contains. So yeah, it's really good for the body. So not only are you glowing, but you are moisturising your skin and you're making it look all healthy. So yeah, if you have any questions about this, please don't feel... I can't speak. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I can answer them for you. But it's a really simple thing to do. I really hope you enjoyed it, and this is gonna last you a very long time, I'm telling you, because I bought a shimmer oil like 3 years ago and that is still going. It's still there basically. So yeah, so that is it for this little DIY little tutorial. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. Don't forget to hit that bell down below so you are notified when I upload a video. And if you have any suggestions for any other videos, feel free to comment and message me. I'll happily do those for you. And yeah, have a lovely day guys. Bye.